Are you tired of 9 to 5 job? Frustrated with the slow financial progress? Most people are stuck in the broken system. They go to school, get a job, save a small percentage of their income, and hope to retire rich when they are 65. But what if I told you that this path is designed to be kept you entrapped? The Millionaire Fastlane by MJ DeMarco revealed that everything we have been told about wealth is a lie. It exposed why traditional financial advice kept you broke and show you the real way to achieve financial freedom while you are still young. In this video, I will break down the three financial paths and why most people are on the wrong one. And the second one is a 5 wealth principle to create a fast lane income. And the third one is the biggest financial myth that kept you poor. And the fourth and the most important part of this video is actionable business idea. You can start today, right now. If you are ready to take a control for your financial future, keep watching. Chapter 1. The 3 financial paths to wealth. DeMarco divides people into 3 categories based on their financial habit and mindset. First one is a sidewalk, the broke mindset. People on the sidewalk have no financial control. They live paycheck to paycheck. They spend everything they earn or more. They have no investment and no saving. They believe in luck, lottery, gambling, get rich quickly scheme. They often blame others for their financial struggle, government, rich people, and bad luck. Reality: these people are always one emergency away from bankruptcy. Second one is a slow lane, the traditional path. This is the path most people are taught to follow by society, school, and financial experts. It involves getting a degree and stable jobs, saving 10% of income for retirement, investing in the stocks and mutual fund for slow growth, hoping to retire comfortably at 65 or older. The problem: this method takes 40 plus years and there is no guarantee. Even a well-paying job still means trading time for money. Inflation, economic crisis, and job losses can destroy everything. Do you really want to wait until you are 65 to enjoy wealth? The fast lane. The third one is the fast lane and the entrepreneurial wealth creations. The fast lane is the only path to get rich quickly and sustainably. Fast laner build business that generate wealth at scales, use automation and leverage to make money without trading time for it. Solve big problem that impact thousands or millions of people. Understand that speed and scales are the key to wealth. This is how the millionaire and billionaire are made. The fastest formula, the 5 rule to get rich quickly. To enter the fast lane, your business or income stream must follow the 5 commandments. First one is a control. Own the game. Never put your financial future in someone else's hand. If you rely on boss, employer, or government, you are not in control. Fast laner own their income source. They do not depend on paychecks. Example: you would rather work at Uber or own Uber. Second one is entry. Create barrier to competition. If anyone can do it easily, it is not a fast lane business. Choose industry with a barrier to entry like skills, experience, or capital. Example: drop shipping is easy to start, so competition is huge. But creating your own brand or product has higher entry barrier and better profit. Third one is a need. Solve the real problem. People do not pay for fashion, they pay for solution. The bigger the problem you solve, the more money you make. Example: Amazon solved slow, inconvenient shopping and become a billion-dollar company. This is how you make money. Fourth one is time. Skip the time for money trap. Slow lane, you trade time for money, hourly wages, salary, and freelancing. Fast lane, you build a system that generates money even you are sleeping. Example, a doctor on per hour worked is categorized as a slow lane. A doctor who create an online course or medical app on passively, that's the fast lane. Fifth one is a scale. Think big. Serving 100 people will not make you rich. Serving 100,000 people or 1 million will. The business must be scalable to create massive wealth. Example, a local coffee shop has a revenue ceiling. Starbucks scale worldwide and become a millionaire or billionaire dollar empire. Lesson from this one is your income must be tied to the number of people you shopped, not the hour you worked. The biggest lie that keep you poor. DeMarco exposed 3 major myths that stop people from getting rich. First one is get a good job, save money and retire rich. Why? It is scam. It is because job do not make you rich. They make you boss rich. Even a 6-figure salary is still trading for time for money. The average people save only 10% of their income, which is too slow. Reality is, you need a business, investment or system that go exponentially. Lies 2. Invest in the stock market and compound your wealth. Why it's flaw? It is because the stock market grow at 7% per year, not fast enough. Compound interest take decades to work. Reality is, the real way to get rich is leveraging business and assets that scale quickly. Lies number 3. Buy a house is the best investment. Why it is a best? Why it is a bad idea? Is a house is not an investment unless it generates a cash flow. A mortgage locked up your money for decades. Reality is, the rich buy income generating assets like rental properties or business. So here are the fast lane business ideas that DeMarco classified in their book. Here are real fast lane business model you can start today, right now. First one is e-commerce and dropshipping, sell digital and physical product at scales. And second one is online education and the course, teach a skill and earn passive income. Third one is a software and apps, make software, solve problems and scale globally. Fourth one is a real estate, cash flow focus, buy rental properties that generate monthly income that makes you rich. Fifth one is a content creations, YouTube, blogging, etc. Monetize your knowledge and brand. That's the way of making money, constantly and passively. The key is to create something that is scale and work for you, even when you are asleep. Final takeaway, are you ready? So here are the ultimate questions. Do you want to work your whole life and hope you retire rich? Or do you want to take control, build something valuable, achieve financial freedom within the next decade? The choice is yours. If this video is inspiring or inspire you, hit like, subscribe and comment below. Which fast lane business excites you the most? Comment down. Your fast lane journey start now. Let's go. Let's reach. Let's be the rich fast and quickly. Thank you.